I'm gonna share something I've been working on for quite some time and show you how it's gonna help you save time in AutoCAD. It's called the Lazy Macro Guide. I made this after realizing I keep building custom commands to make my life easier. Macros are basically custom commands in AutoCAD that are very efficient, very quick to create. I have the template lines for macros, how they work, and by utilizing the template lines that I use to simply copy and paste and start creating your macros. For your convenience, I've written in uppercase anything you will need to replace with your own standards. Let's briefly go over this guide before we do a demo utilizing this in a real task in AutoCAD. After we create, modify, and do our selections, we have a real example. I broke it down explaining each step so you understand how to put together this that I put together for you after creating hundreds of AutoCAD macros. On my screen, I have an equipment plan that I received from corporate. So I need to set this equipment plan per my standards, specifically the text. You can see I have text on different sizes, different layers. Doing this manually will not only take me a lot of time, but will also cause errors. So we're gonna automate this task using our brand new Lazy Macros guide in beta version. What do I need to achieve? Update the text style, change the font size. Once I put together what I need, I can name my command, or maybe macro fix equipment notes or text. Let's start with the erase all text in def point layer. Let's use the command macros palette. You can save any suggested macros under insights. And once saved, you can edit it to create your own custom versions. I'm gonna click these three dots and say save. So I'm gonna right click and say command macro editor. To automate this task, I began by copying and pasting the macro template lines already provided, paste the final code that I was able to follow along with the new Lazy Macro Guide. Now, when I have to fix my equipment plan text, all I gotta do is utilize my new Lazy Macro command, and boom, you can see immediately your text size, style, even layers are now consistent, even the color. This is the beta version of this Lazy Macro Guide. We're gonna open 30 spots on our Lazy Arquitecto tier membership on Patreon and share our guide on this tier.